Sterilization of Fermenter. This topic is a part of NMEICD project entitled Creation of E-Contents on Fermentation Technology, sponsored by the MHRD, Government of India. Friends, sterilization is crucial process in fermentation processes. Here we are discussing this crucial process for fermenter. Before discussing sterilization processes, let us discuss design of fermenter that leads to proper sterilization of fermenter. Design of fermenter for proper sterilization. Fermenter should be designed in such a way that it may sterilize with steam under pressure. Sterilization of medium should be done in the same vessel, or in separate vessel and consequently added to the fermenter aseptically. If the medium sterilization is done inside the fermenter, the temperature of the fermenter should be increased by steam, which is introduced into the fermenter coils, or jacket before the addition of media, to prevent large amount of condensate. In fermenter the possible source of contamination is all the entry and exit points. All the entry and exit points should be sterilized with steam, excluding the air outlet through which air is coming out of the fermenter. Construction of all pipelines should be simple, without any slope towards drainage points so that steam should make contact with each parts of the fermenter, and no part of the fermenter left unsterile. Steam should be trapped in every drainage point of the pipework. Parker 1958 Chain Edit 1954 and Muller and Kieslich 1966 and others have all insisted on the necessity of removing fine crevices, or gaps such as projection seal, which can accumulate media and microorganisms. Hamilton et al. 1991 described a requirement for pilot-scale fermenter, free from any gaps on their surfaces greater than 0.05 nm in size. It is very essential if the fermentation is carried out using animal cell line. In fermenter wherever joints are there, they should be welded joints, for maintaining long-term aseptic condition. Sterilization of the fermenter. Fermenter can be sterilized separately, for aseptic operation of pilot scale, and industrial fermentation processes. Sterile medium, which is sterilized in a separate cooker, or continuous medium cooker for many fermentations, is taken to the sterile empty fermenter. On the other hand, media required for the fermentation process and fermenter both are sterilized together, in a single process of sterilization. Not all the fermentation processes are aseptic, but contamination by microbes needs to be maintained minimum, by carrying out media boiling and pasteurization. Or else fermentation medium will be covered by fast-growing contaminant, which do not allow proper fermentation process, due to use of nutrient by contaminant. For small-scale fermenter, medium and fermenter both are sterilized by steam under pressure, in autoclave. Sterilization of media and vessel is done using steam at 120 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Negative pressure should not be developed inside the fermenter, which may lead to contamination. If the medium is sterilized in a separate batch cooker, or is sterilized continuously, then the fermenter has to be sterilized separately before the sterile medium added to it. Friends, sterilization is crucial process in fermentation processes. Here we are discussing this crucial process for fermenter. Before discussing sterilization processes, let us discuss design of fermenter that leads to proper sterilization of fermenter. Design of fermenter for proper sterilization. Fermenter should be designed in such a way that it may sterilize with steam under pressure. Sterilization of medium should be done in the same vessel, or in separate vessel and consequently